Germany and Italy, August 1st, 2025. Severe weather has recently engulfed Europe, causing chaos in various countries, including Germany and Italy. In Germany, a severe thunderstorm raged over Offenburg on Friday evening, causing massive damage and numerous firefighting operations within a very short time. The storm front hit the city with full force in the early evening, leaving a scene of devastation in its wake.
Scheiße.
Around 6 p.m., dark cloud formations and loud rumbles of thunder announced the approaching storm. Shortly thereafter, heavy rain poured over the city. Within minutes, heavy rain began, leading to widespread flooding. The industrial area in the west of the city was particularly affected. A warehouse was flooded after water seeped through its gate. Other businesses in the surrounding area also reported water damage.
Oh Gott.
A tree is hanging from the overhead line. As a result, trains are currently cancelled in the Offenburg area. The tree is located between Bohlsbach and Veneto. The Federal Police and Deutsche Bahn's emergency management teams are currently on the move between Offenburg and Rastad, checking the line for possible further damage. There are currently no reports of injuries. Heavy rain also caused problems on several roads today, especially in Offenburg area. The Black Forest on Fire Festival in Berghaupten was delayed due to the storm.
Du Scheiße! Sieht aus, als wäre ich mitten im Tornado oder sowas.
Ой, там это, колодец открыт, он заехал туда. Там, или он на бордюр заехал.
Ja, ich komme nicht zum Parkplatz.
Streets throughout the city were flooded and traffic came to a standstill in some areas. Numerous trees could not withstand with the storm and fell, some onto parked vehicles. The Offenburg Fire Department reported over 100 deployments by late evening. The new hospital buildings was also affected. The excavation pit filled with water and barrier fences were torn down by wind and water. A tree fell onto a stationary freight train at the freight depot, causing significant disruptions to rail traffic. Fortunately, no one was injured. Initial estimates indicate that the storm caused millions of euros in damage. The German Meteorological Service DWD continues to warn of severe thunderstorms in southwest Germany. More severe weather with heavy rain, hail, and gusty winds is forecast for the weekend. Emergency services in Offenburg and the surrounding region remain on high alert.
Oh, lieber Baum, halt stand du.
Meanwhile, at the same time in Italy, severe weather also hit the Veneto regions on Friday afternoon, with heavy rain and hailstorms particularly affecting eastern Veneto and province of Padova. A supercell of thunderstorms affected the entire region starting at 2 p.m. but then moved rapidly from the west to east, bringing heavy hailstorms, downpours, and violent gusts of wind. The hardest hit areas were the Vicenza area, the upper Padua province, and the western Treviso area, where hailstones up to 3 centimeters in diameter fell on the ground, while strong winds lashed the entire region. Coldiretti reported significant damage to crops due to the hailstorms, and in various areas of the Padua region, trees were downed and objects uprooted by the strong winds. In some areas, the violent thunderstorms and the water that reached the ground quickly also caused some flooding, making it difficult for vehicles to pass. Fortunately, no injuries or casualties were reported, and the storm cell then moved quickly eastward. A yellow weather warning for thunderstorms was already in effect throughout the area and will remain in effect for the next few hours and throughout next weekend. The Veneto Region Civil Protection Functional Center has issued a new critical weather warning, assessing a temporary yellow alert for the entire region, with the exceptions of Autobiavi Basin from 1 p.m. today, August 1st, until midnight on Sunday, August 3rd, 2025. Severe thunderstorms, intense downpours, and hail are expected throughout the area on both Saturday, August 2nd, and Sunday, August 3rd. This storm will be more widespread and frequent tomorrow, with the possibility of the severe weather, especially in the Prealps and Pianura.